Hi everyone, here I've got LG K51s and let me show you how to clear credentials on the following device. So first of all, let's begin with opening the settings. Now let's get into lock screen and security. Now let's scroll down to encryption and credentials and click on it. And here we've got the full list of trusted credentials, credential protection, and all of that. And on the very bottom, you've got clear credentials. So click on it. And if you're sure that you want to remove all of the contents, simply click OK. And that's all. From now on, you've just cleared all credentials and certificates. You can get back and normally use your device. So that's all. If this video was helpful for you, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.